See, this is all rusted and I didn't really want to take it off and clean it up, but this one's like okay. Obviously it needs the bezels around it as well, but for now I'm just gonna get these headlights out and change these pieces. Got the pair. It came with the hardware as well, so that should be nice. Yikes. These are definitely a different size. The diameter is the same. This one looks like it was a little like thicker from the front view. All right, fellas, after changing it, this is what it looks like. Better than it was before. The problem is this light is yellow around it. As you can see, this is an aftermarket light, I believe, Silva Performance. Either this is the original, I think this might be the original actually, and so it says 2D1, and this one over here says Wagoneer Halogen. So I believe this is from a different one, and yeah, but I was able to replace those. This ended up here. I should probably redo it once I get these pieces new and chrome. So far I replaced the front. That's what we look like.